Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I have playing cards at home. Do you like playing cards? These cards are red and black. She plays cards with her friends. We need a deck of cards. The deck has 52 cards. He shuffles the cards now. Can you shuffle the cards? I am learning a card game. This game is very easy. My family plays cards together. We play cards every Sunday. Do they know this game? She does not play cards often. The cards are on the table. I put the cards down. He picks up 5 cards. You have good cards today. We are playing a fun game. This card is an ace. That card is a king. I see a queen card. Do you have a jack? The numbers go from 1 to 10. She has a 7 card. He needs a 3 card. I am looking for hearts. There are 4 different suits. Hearts are red cards. Diamonds are also red cards. Spades are black cards. Clubs are black cards too. Which suit do you like? I like hearts the most. She is winning the game. Am I winning or losing? You are doing very well. He won the last game. We will play again tomorrow. They want to learn this game. Can you teach me cards? I will teach you today. This game needs 2 players. That game needs 4 players. We are 3 players now. Do we need more people? She invites her sister over. Now we have 4 people. Let's start the card game. I am dealing the cards now. Everyone gets 5 cards each. Please look at your cards carefully. Do not show me your cards. Keep your cards a secret, please. She is thinking about her move. He plays a red card down. I play a black card next. You need to follow the suit. We are playing by the rules. They do not know the rules yet. I will explain the rules again. The first rule is very simple. You must play 1 card only. She played 2 cards by mistake. That is not allowed in this game. He takes his extra card back. Now it is my turn again. Whose turn is it right now? It is your turn to play. I am waiting for you patiently. She thinks for a long time. Please play a card when ready. He plays the ace of spades. That is a very good card. I cannot beat that card today. You win this round of cards. We count the points at the end. How many points do you have? I have 20 points so far. She has the most points now. They are losing this card game. Do you want to play again? Yes, I want another game, please. Let me shuffle all the cards. The cards are all mixed up now. I am cutting the deck in half. We start a new game right now. This time I will try harder. She always wins at card games. He is not very lucky today. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. Winning is fun but not everything. I enjoy playing cards with my friends. They come to my house on weekends. We drink coffee and play cards together. My mother taught me cards when young. I was only 7 years old then. Now I teach my own children. My daughter is learning cards this week. She is getting better every single day. Do you play cards on your phone too? There are many card games on phones now. I prefer playing with real cards at home. Real cards feel better in my hands always. She downloads a new card game app today. He plays cards online with people from everywhere. They are from different countries around the world. I met a player from Japan last night. We played 3 games together on the app. It was very fun to play together. Do you know any other card games well? I know 5 different card games so far. My favorite game is called Crazy Eights right now. What is your favorite card game to play? She likes to play Go Fish with children. That game is good for young children learning. He teaches his son how to hold cards. The boy is only 5 years old today. Small hands cannot hold many cards at once. We give him only 3 cards to start. I am buying a new deck of cards tomorrow. The old deck is dirty and worn out. Some cards are bent and hard to use. New cards are smooth and very clean always. They sell card decks at the store nearby. How much does a deck of cards cost? A normal deck costs about $3 only. Special decks with pictures cost more money usually. I saw beautiful cards with flowers on them. She collects different decks from around the world. Her collection has over 50 different decks now. That is a very interesting hobby to have. Do you want to see my card collection? I keep all my decks in a box. The box is in my bedroom closet upstairs. Some of my cards are very old indeed. My grandfather gave me his cards many years ago. Those cards are more than 50 years old. I do not play with those special cards. They are too valuable and important to me. We are going to play cards tonight after dinner. My friends are coming over at 7 o'clock. I need to clean the table before they arrive. She is bringing snacks for everyone to share tonight. He will bring his special lucky deck of cards. They believe that deck always brings good luck. I do not believe in lucky cards myself, but it is fun to think about it. We usually play for 2 or 3 hours. Then we are too tired to continue playing. Sometimes we play until very late at night. My wife does not like when I play too long. She says I need to sleep more every night, but I really enjoy my time with my friends. Card games help us relax after work is done. We talk and laugh while we are playing together. It is not just about winning the game. It is about spending good time with people. Do you play cards with your family members? My brother and I played cards every day before. Now he lives in a different city far away. We only play cards when he visits home. I miss playing cards with him very much. Maybe we can play cards online together soon. I will send him a message about it tonight. He will be happy to play with me again. What card game should we play together first? I think we will play our childhood favorite game. That game has very special memories for us both. Our father taught us that game long ago. He does not play cards anymore these days, but he loves to watch us play together. Are you going to play cards this weekend? I am planning to have a card party. I invited 10 friends to come to my house. We will have different card games at different tables. People can choose which game they want to play. I think everyone will have a wonderful time together. I need to buy more decks of cards today. One deck is not enough for so many people. I will buy 4 or 5 new decks tomorrow. She is making food for the card party too. We will have sandwiches and cake for everyone. He is bringing drinks for all the guests. They are very excited about the party on Saturday. I hope the weather will be nice that day. If it rains, everyone will stay inside anyway. We have enough space for everyone in the house. Card games are perfect for rainy days at home. You do not need to go outside to have fun. Just get some cards and good friends together. That is all you need for a great time. I learned this when I was very young. My family always played cards during bad weather. Those are some of my happiest childhood memories. Now I am creating new memories with my friends. One day my children will remember these times too. They will teach their children how to play cards. Card games bring families and friends together always. Thank you for learning about playing cards with me today. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.